So check it out, man. We about to go to the Grandview Drive and get this mile in. Matter of fact, we're gonna do 2 miles. Let's see if the kids ready to get it in. What's good, y'all? Y'all ready to get this 2 miles in?
Yeah!
They don't seem that happy. I said, are y'all ready to get these miles in?
Yeah!
Let's work, man. Hey, so check out our magic trick, man. We're gonna jump in the whip. We ain't even gonna walk. We just gonna snap our fingers and we're gonna be in the whip on the count of 3, man. Check it out. 1, 2, 3. Oh, snap. I didn't really think that worked, did y'all?
No!
Let's go, man. We're gonna snap our fingers again, see if we can get there. 1, 2, 3. Ah! That's twice. Oh, no, we're doing a video. I appreciate it. That's twice in a day, man. Let's get going, man. Let's get on this trip. How y'all feel?
Good.
Y'all ready?
I'm kind of scared.
They ain't ready. You scared? Why you scared?
Because I went on it before, but not like in a long time.
I'm scared.
It looked like a jungle too.
Let's work, man.
What up?
What up?
What up?
What up?
What up?
Boom. We're going all the way down there. We're going to end up over there somewhere, and then we're going to work our way back. But the whole thing is the incline, baby. Look at this. It's easy going down, like I said.
It's not gonna be that hard, but I like hiking.
Me too.
Jada.
It's just a little bouncy and
like
daddy
hiking,
long
but
legs.
I feel like I'm about to fall.
Exactly. That's why you should be careful.
Hey, let me put the camera up till we get to a flat ground, man. She was about to take off running like. Y'all, look at this big tree. Look at that. That is so dope.
Pausing workout.
Wow. I'm scared.
Dad, there's no more water.
We're going to mess with the water anyway. Oh, guys, we're coming up on our first bridge. Go, Jaden.
It was a bug.
Jaden, why are you scared?
One thing about me is I'm scared of bugs.
She's back there vlogging herself.
Certain type of bugs.
Yeah, we about to get into it. We about to leave her. Anybody see that movie Ants when they was harvesting and stuff, and then a leaf or a stick came down, and the ants are like, "I'm lost." Every time I see something like this, that's what I remember. Hey, matter of fact, just watch. I'm about to put it in here. Right here, go. Oh no!
I'm lost! Where's the light? It just went away! Dude, what do I do? Help! We'll be stuck here forever!
Do not panic! Do not panic!
Look at this tree. Oh man!
Look at the water.
Keep going. We gotta go around. Go. I'll lead the way. Come on. That must have just fell. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. How we gonna get?
Look at that. Yeah, it was this. Kaya,
Go.
Come on.
It's not poison ivy.
Hey y'all, we just made it from down there.
Look at that tree, man.
Look
Look at this. This is so dope. Look at that. Whoa.
Maybe a squirrel's living there.
We got another obstacle, kids. Jump over. On another little mini bridge, guys. Check the stream out. Who gonna jump over it? Oh, okay. Oh, let's go.
This nice sand.
Oh, where we going? Oh man, we gotta jump over the stream. Yeah. Nice. Oh, they added some upgrades to this. Remember the sand? Oh, we're coming up another bridge.
Daddy, that was where the water was.
Oh, down here?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Dad,
like
you know
bridge.
I'm scared like it's gonna fall down.
Watch your step, ladies. Watch your step. Good. Good. Yep. Wow. I really don't want to walk no hills yet. I know they don't either. Hey, y'all got bad news.
What?
We're coming up on our first hill.
Oh.
Oh, it's steep too. Look at that hill, man. Look at that. Look at that. Oh. Look at this hill. Look again. No. Hey, look, check them out. Check them out. Push ourselves.
Legs are starting to hurt.
Let it burn.
Keep going, Jaden.
Let it burn. Ooh. Let's work, man. I got the book bag and all the stuff in it. This should be light to them. Come on, kids. Came on a little flat. Came up on a flat surface. Oh no. The flat surface is up there. That's where we're gonna rest at. We're not resting right here. We're gonna rest up there. We're gonna push them. I'm gonna make sure I push them. Let's work, man. We made it. We made it. Come on. Couple more steps. I gotta keep walking so this Nike app won't shut off. That's where we at now. And I actually started a little late, but it's all good. Push yourself, man. Push yourself. Let's work, yeah. Hey, George of the jungle, strong as he can be. We finally found the bench. Pick your knees up, pick your legs up. Pick them up. Go ahead and pop a squat. Good job. Got something to say?
Yeah, it was really hard, but I pushed through it.
It was like my legs and stuff hurting.
Legs hurt and burning.
If it ain't hurting, it ain't working. Let's work, man. I forgot who said that. Oh, they sweat me about the water, so we're gonna go all the way down here. Anyways, where we at now? Ooh, we close half a mile. Good, we're gonna go that mile. My bad, y'all. So check out how far we came. We started a little over here, man. Can you see the houses? Look at all this ground we covered, man. Check that out, man. That's dope. We taking a little pit stop to get some water. Don't drink too much because I don't want your stomach to be hurting. Just take a sip, wet your throat. Then we're gonna get back to it, man. Look at the deer, y'all. There it go right there. See the deer? Look at me, looking at me. She. That's dope. We this close to Mother Nature, y'all. Check it out. Look at that, man. Look at that. That is dope. Hey.
That was dope.
It's dope, G. It was what?
Look, the deer's right there staring.
Look at it. Y'all see it right there. All right, let's continue our journey. Right. That's what I'm talking about. That's that leader spirit. Let's work, man. She leading it. Look at her. Look at her. Go, Ryan. Go. Look who in the back of us, y'all. Look at them. They was leading first. Now we lead. Come on, Ryan. Beat her to the top, G. Yeah. Good money. Good money. Who come? You about to beat her, Jaden? Who win it? Yeah. Wait, but check this out. The strongest always stay in the back in case somebody fall. You gotta be the one to carry them. Let's work, man. So I'm cool with being in the back, and plus I'm dad. I mean, hold her hand when we go down the hill. You know what? I'll hold your hand, man. You ain't gonna never get these moments again. I mean, well, you can. You could build these moments. But like, let's work, man. You got it? They still lead. Naya took the lead. Good. We in the back.
Let's work.
Let's work.
Let's work, man.
Let's work, man. We at 1 mile. Now we're gonna work our way back. Let's get it, Mom. Push ourselves. Come on. Come on. Y'all can do it. This is what strong people do. That thing. Check this decline out. I feel like one of them Mack trucks when you're in the truck and you know you rolling over, or you in the car, you rolling over a lot of potholes. It'd be like, that's how I feel. Let's go. I'll tell you. So check this out, man. We're gonna do our let me turn the camera. If y'all walk these woods, y'all feel how we feel. So we not going to finish the rest of the walk because we gotta go up a whole bunch of hills. So we're gonna do our little thing. On the count of 3, we're gonna snap our fingers and we're gonna appear up on the hill in the car. Well, up on the hill. 1, 2, 3. What's that, the 4th time in a row? Let's work, man.
Let's work. Let's work, man. Let's work.
So check this out, man. We just gave y'all a little journey of our, well, what would we call this?
Let's snap our fingers.
No, hiking. What is she talking about? So we just hiked about 2 hours. It took us 2 hours to get, we walked 2 miles, so now we're gonna go do some crazy stuff. Probably eat some chicken or something. But anyways, stay tuned for the next footage, the next subscribe, like. Trying to get used to saying that. But it's your boy Rose, I'm signing out. Let's work.
Let's work.
Let's work, man. Let's work.